Oh, hi there! Today we're doing a coffee station using budget products from Ikea. I'm Man, this is Mars, and in this household we love coffee. We just bought a new coffee machine, so I wanted to do a coffee station so much. Now on this trolley I'm keeping my fruits and veggies, but it just looks so crowded. So I figured I'd find a new solution that would act both as a coffee station and as a place where I can keep my fruits, onions and potatoes. This place is between the kitchen and the dining table, and in the right corner there is the fridge, so I think this would be the perfect place for my coffee station. I have a plan for everything, but first let's start from the beginning. Let me tell you the plan. First, I want to add a kitchen island, and spoiler alert, I found the best one at Ikea for only $89. You'll see it in just a second. I also want to remove these Ikea mirrors and replace them with a mirror I thrifted. There's the sneak peek. I have so many things planned, so let's start right away. And also guys, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It only takes 1 second and it really helps my channel so much. Thank you. Now first things first, let me show you the trolley / kitchen island I got from Ikea. This island was small enough to fit into this space, but large enough to keep my coffee machine and all of my coffee supplies and accessories on top. The only thing we should do is, well, assemble it, so let's get to work. Once I finished assembling it, it's now time to paint it. I found this stain that has a primer and wax in it, so we are applying it to our island. And for all of you who are considering to get this island for yourself, please note that this one is made out of birch and it's not a finished product. You'll have to stain it or paint it yourself. I even gave it a light sand to make it even smoother, and I applied a clear waterproof coat to finish it. After finishing with staining our trolley, now it's time to remove everything from this spot. So first, I'm removing this rack. I will replace it with a metal one later on. I'm also filling the holes with plaster. And now it's time to tackle these mirrors. Let me just say that these Ikea mirrors have been up here for almost 5 years and I really got bored of them. But no worries, they are going to be donated to someone who really likes them. Now they came out pretty easily, however the wall was clearly damaged. Luckily the mirror I'm adding here will cover everything, so we'll just pretend we didn't see anything. And now it's time to add our mirror. This is a vintage mirror from the 70s and I know it's a bit worn out, but I kinda like it here. Plus, my living room faces north, so I think this mirror will reflect that much more light in my living room. And before I finish for the day, let's add the rack. I already had this rack. I got it from Ikea a few years ago, and I think it will look great here. Now it's the next day and I've been thinking about this mirror all night and I wanna cut it. This part here is just too long and I want to make it shorter so it matches on both sides. I just quickly marked where I wanted the cut to be, so let's do it. Clearly, it was a mistake doing this inside in the first place, so I moved outside for the sanding. After sanding it, I stained it with the same stain I used for the island. I know it's not the same shade, but this side will not be exposed from where we sit in the living room, so it works just fine. Yup, that's more like it. And now all we have to do is just bring in our station and style it. First, I'm placing my new coffee machine, and if you're a beginner in coffee extraction, I cannot recommend this machine enough. Loving it so far. Next, I'm adding this cutting board I got from Ikea, and I'm arranging the coffee accessories and tools on top of it. I'm placing my favorite cups on this rack together with a dish towel close at hand. And to finish it all off, I'm adding this wall art I got from Etsy. Now let's remember for just a second how this place used to look like. And here's how it looks like now. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. Let me know if you like my coffee station makeover in the comment section below and if you do anything differently. Also, make sure to check out my kitchen makeover and my latest Ikea haul video to see all of the products I got there. Many exciting projects are coming up, so hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Thank you again so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Hey buddy, you're awake! Oh, you're such a good boy. Will you say bye to everyone in the comment section? They all say you're the cutest. You know that? Everybody loves you. Should we give them a nose? Let's go.